Stuck trying to sign in to Webex? Get logged in fast and start your meeting without the hassle. I'll walk you through each step, from opening your browser to accessing your dashboard. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Just open it up and head over to the official Webex website. I recommend just typing webex.com straight into the address bar to make sure you land on the right page and don't accidentally end up on a third-party site. Right there at the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click that. It's usually a blue button, so it's pretty easy to spot. Now, give the Sign In page a moment to load. I know it can feel like an eternity when you're trying to join a meeting, but this page is where all the magic happens. It just needs a couple of seconds. On the sign-in page, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Webex account. And here's the really important part. Make sure it's the same email you used when you originally set up your account. If you're not sure which email that is, check your inbox for any old Webex confirmation or welcome emails. Type it in carefully, then click the Next button. All right, now we're at the password screen. If you created your account the traditional way, with a password, go ahead and enter that now. But if you signed up using your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account, and this is a common point of confusion, do not enter a password here. Instead, look for the sign-in option that matches the service you used. There should be buttons for Google, Apple, or Microsoft right there on the page. Click the one that applies to you. That will redirect you to that service to verify your identity quickly and easily. Once you've got your password typed in, or you've selected your alternative sign-in method, click the Sign In button. Now, depending on how your account is set up, you might be prompted to complete a verification step. This is a security measure, and it's a good thing. It might be a code sent to your email or your phone, or maybe a security question. Just follow the prompts on screen. In my experience, this usually takes less than a minute. After that, give Webex a few seconds to finish signing you in and load your dashboard. And that's it, you're in. So now that you're logged in, let me show you what you can do. You'll land on the Webex homepage, and it's your command center. From here, you can start or join a meeting instantly. There's usually a big button right in the middle that says Start a Meeting or Join a Meeting. Super convenient for when you're running late. You can also schedule a meeting for later. Just click the Schedule button, pick your date and time, add a topic, and send out the invite. It sends out a calendar link automatically, which is really handy. And of course, you can send messages, create teams, and collaborate with your colleagues. The messaging area lets you chat one-on-one or in groups, share files, and even make quick audio or video calls without scheduling a full meeting. It's basically your all-in-one workspace. Look around the navigation bar on the left. You'll see options for meetings, messages, teams, and more. Spend a minute clicking around to get comfortable. I've tested this interface across different accounts and browsers, and it's consistent and easy to navigate once you know where everything is. So there you have it. From being stuck on the login page to running your own meetings, you're now fully set up. The next time you need to hop on a Webex call, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.